So when we talk about investing some of your money in debt as well, the whole asset allocation discussion that happens.
Yeah.
Within the debt component, you do have liquid funds, you do have income funds or bond funds as they're called, of a slightly longer duration, and then you have the FMPs. What is it that makes FMPs more attractive than, say, another open-ended bond fund?
The only difference you look at between a close-ended and an open-ended, I'm just doing these two structures right now, classification-wise, open-ended and close-ended. Now, open-ended is subject more to the mark-to-market risks, which are the market risks typically, which means in case the bond yields changes, it has an impact on its prices, which is mark-to-market in the portfolio on a everyday basis. The NAV gets adjusted on a daily basis accordingly. However, in a close-ended fund, the same principle holds true, but at maturity, you will get your fixed coupon at which you have invested in. So you may go through the cycle of that volatility of mark-to-market over the next 3-year period, but at maturity, if I put my money at a 7% coupon with no defaults or no credit risk involved, I'll get my 7% at maturity, which is not true in the case of an open-ended fund. So any investor who wants a lower volatility risk can actually opt for an FMP. The negative about that being it's a lock-in for 3 years, which an investor knows in advance. And if he can lock in for the 3-year, FMP surely has that advantage. The problem or another disadvantage an FMP can have, it's more of a concentrated bet, which is a risk vis-a-vis an open-ended fund, which is now coming into foray when you're seeing a couple of delays, defaults happening. But that can actually happen in an open-ended fund also. And that's actually happening over there also. You're not seeing that in a big way because there is no maturity per se. They can continue, only the investors who want to have the money are redeeming the money. But subject to your call, today's time you can say, okay, FMPs is a disadvantage, but I really don't think so.